Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun together with drawing. Alright, in today's video, we're going to draw radish. Alright, let's jump to the paper together. I need you to prepare your stuff, so let's go guys. So at the beginning, I need you to follow me. So I will start with this line like a curved line like this. Alright, so start from here like this, right? Then you go all the way here. Right, after that you can go like this from here like this and then all the way here. Right, once you have this, then you need to make this one like this. So from the bottom one you make it like this and then like this one. Basically do something like this guys. Okay, after you have this, then you need to take care of the leaves on the top here. So I will start with the first one like this, so you guys can follow me like this, right? Then like this and like this and like this, right? Just go ahead like this guys. Then you can from here make it like this, right? Then just curve like this, right? Correct guys, looks nice. Then do the same thing. Right, once you have this, right, then you can continue to do the other leaves, so from here like this, right, like this, make the middle first, right, then after that you just go like this, like almost the same the previous one. All right, like this. Wow, looks great. Then I think the last one I need to give the lips here, so I will go like this, right, then like this. After that you can go like this. Alright, then like this and like this. Alright guys, I think that's it. This is the shape of the radish, and I will go to the fun part. I will give expression here, so let's go together. Right, so I will give the expression here. So I will give the eyes here, one, right, then the other eyes here, two. Okay, to make it more interesting, I will give a small circle inside here, so you can just follow me like this. Alright guys, don't be afraid, don't be uncomfortable with drawing. You practice, you enjoy the process, that's the important thing guys. Alright, so I will give the other circle here, right, this, so will be perfect guys, right? Alright, you give a black color like this. Okay, looks already beautiful. Then I will go with the facial, which is the mouth. The mouth I will go with the big mouth, like open smiley mouth. Alright, let's go from here like this, then like this guys. Alright, okay, you give the tongue, don't forget, and then give the teeth. Alright, looks so beautiful. You can go with even eyebrow here like this. Wow, right, then over here again like this. Right guys, then before we coloring this, we need to give some line here and the side here to emphasize the shape of the radish. So from here like this, right. After that you can go the other direction here like this, and then like this. Right, you can go again here one more time. All right, okay guys, I think this is the shape of the radish looks like, and I will color this image and you can guys can follow together. Right, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of radish, and hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.